Hey guys, I'm Ray, and today we are going to be making a triangular trivet. The first thing that we need to do is flatten these round bars. You gotta have patience to get neat work, and I'm definitely guilty of being impatient and just like telling myself that my work is good enough and I don't need to like make it pretty as long as it's functional. So I think we're gonna try our best to make it pretty this time. We have our 3 sides completed. And so now we are going to be starting to work on the little feet that I have in store for it. I honestly had no idea what a trivet was until earlier today when I looked it up. It's like a pot holder apparently, but it's oftentimes a beginner blacksmith project, or I guess a simplistic blacksmith project, because you can make a really simple trivet or you can make a really complicated trivet. So we have to punch the holes and then we can rivet the trivet. We need to center punch all of the pieces so we have a guide to line everything up. Okay, so how we're gonna do this is the little section that I cut off using the cutoff wheel is gonna go down into the hole. Then we're gonna stick this on top of it. Then we're gonna stack the other pieces. And theoretically, we're gonna rivet it together. Ideally, what happens is we open up this part of the trivet, and then we stack the next leg in the center here, and then we stack the next side on top of there. So then both stacks on this one are exactly the same. What we're going to be doing is we are going to be bending one of the sides into our semicircle and bending the two sides, or like the two free sides, so that they create a triangle that we can then rivet together. So we're gonna put it in, or put it together just like so. We're gonna do our very best. This is going to be very challenging, but we're gonna try it. Ooh, I actually got it through. That's exciting. That's a good sign. Okay. I welded on a stopper on each of the legs so that they wouldn't splay out when we set things on.